Hey everybody, it's Renee here. I'm showing you a video today on the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas line. I just made a small book and I love how it turned out using the Photoplay mini album, which you assemble yourself. It is a very cool album and I will show you what I came up with this cool collection. It's very rustic. For any of you that like rustic, like Christmas, you're going to want to see this. But first I just wanted to say, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, as well as the bell notification so you get my videos as soon as they come available. I appreciate your support, so thank you for doing that. So let's get right into it. This is the outside, and I just put the Merry Christmas on here. Almost everything in here is simple stories. There might be the odd thing that isn't, but I will explain that. So there you go. I did my little drawing around pretty much all the pages. This you didn't have to put on, but I did put mine on because it does come with it. And I used a basic gray. There's also a tonic brand you can use, but basic gray magnet so it closes. So let's have a look. This is the front inside cover, and there is a little pocket here. You could put tags and things. I haven't put anything yet. I also haven't added my pictures in this or any journaling because I'm going to use this for Christmas this year, and clearly Christmas hasn't happened yet. So I'm just kind of waiting. I will also be adding probably some stickles or some Nuvo drops in the middle, but I am just holding off for now, but that will probably be happening as well. So this is the inside. There's a little bit of burlap that I added. Jingle bells. Didn't put the bells on here because there's bells. Here I will have a picture, and I just left it open so I can lift it, put the picture in, and then adhere it closed after. And depending on what the picture is, I will maybe put a little sentiment above. Same thing, picture here. Here you could put a picture or journaling. I kind of left that so it's kind of into whatever I decide to do. So you could have either. I didn't want it to just be all about the pictures. Here I will probably just have like a little saying in here and here, maybe a little bit of writing here with the main picture here. This collection is so nice, but Simple Stories always has nice collections. Again, two different pictures, and after the picture's put in, you could add the little pieces of die cut ephemera on here as well. Here I did, these were part of the collection. These are two tags, and you could add them in the other areas, but I haven't yet. I just kind of clipped them here with a 49 and market clip. So I just left them there for now. You could put a picture here, I just haven't done it yet. Same with here, I left this up a little bit so if I put a picture in here, I can adhere it with a foam square after. Same thing, ready for a picture. And then here is our back area, and you can put tags or whatever you want, pieces of paper. I really wanted this one to be more of a rustic and outdoorsy look, so I put a lot of trees because knowing what I'm probably going to be doing for Christmas, we will be outside a fair bit. So I thought this would be perfect for a picture from that. So this is it. You just fold it over, and that is adhered underneath here. Before I put the paper on, just close it, and it magnetizes like that. So this was what I've created with the Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas. I do have some layouts coming, but those are in another video. So make sure you check back, hit that bell notification again, and subscribe so you can see that if you like this line, because I do have layouts coming with that. So I want to thank you for watching. This was just a little fast show and share on what I created with this awesome line. I hope you check it out if you haven't done so already. You can get all this at your local scrapbook store, order online. I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and take care.